In this video, I wanted to talk about my X79 motherboard and kind of my PC. This is one of my third PCs, so excuse me for being on the ground, but I was just replacing the graphics card. So I had two 3060s in this guy, but I removed them because, funny enough, the power supply wouldn't let me boot. I thought there was a connection issue or something, but for some reason it's fixed. I don't know why. Reconnected everything and it works. So that was a bit of a kind of dodgy thing, but yeah. So that's the CX750 power supply from Corsair. That kind of has been giving me a bit of a trouble. But then I think it was the NZXT's. Let's swivel this around. So NZXT has this power button right here. I thought it was a short, as in the system would just power on and off like boot loop. So I took this lid off and just cleaned the button, and it seems to work now. But anyways, I thought the GPU is kind of maybe not playing well with the board, and I thought it was the board, but the board works perfectly fine. I have an i7 in there, so it gets really hot, very hot. I think this one's a quad core, and one of them is a 6-core CPU that I have. And now I've put a 960 GTX 960 with 4 gigs. For fun, but to be honest with you, just to boot the system up and test some things. But I have been training models with this GPU, and it works perfectly fine for small, tiny models like GPT-2. So nothing big, but still, PyTorch detects it and you can use it, so it's pretty cool. And then I have 32 gigs of RAM supplied to the motherboard. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of give you show you around this rig. I have lots of fans, so Arctic fans at the top, the back, the bottom, and then the front I have the NZXT's kind of fan unit. Actually, I used to have it, but I was so stupid that I plugged in both the 5-volt rail and the RGB rail because I didn't know at the time, and I burnt the whole thing. So it was actually in flames. And there was like so much smoke coming out of the machine when I first booted up. So that thing is dead. So I replaced them with these PC fans. So I got it white so it matches a bit. The original NZXT fans, it's like a little module you get with this rig, is also white, but everything else is black. Anyways, so that's this rig. If I lift it up a bit, this is really heavy. So if I lift it up, it's quite a chunky PC case, but purposely I got that because I wanted to be able to get lots of cooling, lots of airflow, and because of this motherboard's, I'm gonna put it back now, because of this motherboard's advantage of NVIDIA SLI, I can hook up lots of GPUs here, given that you have enough PSU connectors. So yeah, so originally I had two 3060s here. They are really hot as well, but now I think I'll put some 3080s and a 3050 or something to kind of support, so the 3050 supports the 3080. Not sure yet, but at least I have a GTX 960, and if you still have this card, I think it's quite good fun, to be honest with you. It's cool, and it works pretty well. I have a 980 as well, which I can put in a different rig. But yeah, quick video. Just wanted to show you kind of my PC rig, at least my overly hotbox, overly cooled hotbox. But yeah, so that's it. So quick video, but if you enjoy that, feel free to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.